ouch, NIO had a really ugly day on Friday. It was down over 3%. It did rally on Thursday, and the reason why it rallied on Thursday was because of the positive policy commentary from China's central bank, as well as the launch of its new ET9 sedan. So on Thursday, I did do a video on NIO saying that there might be a pullback because of the RSI. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at a 9 months daily charts. You can see that every time it approached like about the 60 RSI, it would come back down, especially here back in June and August. So August, it had a tremendous run all the way to $16 before coming back down, retracing all the way to 7. So I've been covering NIO back in 2020, 2021, and back then, the price target of NIO was $100. I thought that it could possibly get to 100, and the highest it got to was $66, and here we are at $9. So a lot of people lost money, myself included, but it's a new year, 2024. Hopefully the EV stocks will get some momentum. And take a look at the options. You can see options here for next week's expiration, which is 5 January, the 9.5 strike, 15,000 volume traded. I know they're only $19, but they add up pretty quickly if you buy more than 10 contracts. You can see the 10 strike, and I do have some options. I have some spreads. So I do have the 9. I'm selling the 9. I'm buying the 7.5, which means that as long as the stock stays above 9, I can receive a premium. I will be able to collect the full premium here. And then we have the 10 strike calls, 14,000. So people are expecting the stock to go to 10 or above 10 by, let's see, this is January 19, which is in 20 days. But just be very cautious because sometimes a stock like NIO does not move. It stays flat for months after months. You can see, and then we have, let's check out February. So I do have more spreads. February 16th, the 10 strike seems like a very popular strike there. But again, just be very cautious because if the overall market starts going down, which it did on Friday, it's going to drag many of these stocks down, like NIO. I think that NIO can possibly get back to $16 in 2024. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my position. So on Thursday, these were up. The 35 strike calls were up quite a bit. Now they're back down. Hopefully this is just a slight pullback, and then next week we can slowly grind back up. But you can see I have the 35 strike calls and the 15 strike calls. So these will expire 1 year, 2025, and then 2026. So there's just plenty of time. I learned my lesson on these stocks. Like NIO doesn't really move. You can see that NIO, like here, ever since I had a rally back in August, what has it been doing? Nothing. Just been trading in this range of $7 to $9. So if you had calls, 15 strike calls or above, you're definitely in the hole right now. So let me know your thoughts on NIO. Did you buy more on Friday? And thanks for watching.